Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Spotify to Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to YouTube channel. First of all, open the Spotify.com. Then you have to click on sign up, and after that, here you have to click on sign up with Facebook. Then click on continuous as your profile. After that, here you have to put your email address. So right now I am going to put my military server. So right now I am going to put my server and confirming email address. And what should we call you? Here you have to give your Spotify profile name. So I am giving here as a one account. After that, here you have to put your birth information. So I am giving here and total 25, and here you have to select your gender. So I am selecting here not to receive marketing message from Spotify. You can check this. Also share my registration data with Spotify content providers for marketing purpose. You can take or ending this, so I suggest to ending this. Then click on another robot, and after that click on sign up. And this is how we can connect Spotify to Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.